came in, it was like I'm walking into a forest. It's just nature and it's just beautiful. Even the rooms are neat and clean, very basic, very simple, very neat and clean.
I actually really liked the experience. It was like a full digital detox.
This is my first time. This was fantastic. I expected meditation to calm me down. I think it did. So I was super excited that I could spend.
It was also like we were renouncing our entire life by giving away the phone, not just like our house and city, whatever, family.
It is a nice experience. Like when you come here, you are all together with no distraction and you are with your own self. And whatever is running through your mind, you get that time to know about yourself and learn more.